I moved here 8 years ago to this country. Sort of pretty much went on my own about 5 years ago. It's been a whirlwind, so to say. Business is going well. It's very cutthroat economy. The more you can do in-house, the more money you potentially can make. I mean, you go back some years ago and there wasn't enough money in the kiddies to just get your product out to powder coaters, get your product out to laser cutters, and get it back for us to do assemblies. But it's the way things have gone now. It's the more you do in-house, the better. I'd say probably about 1.5 years now. We've known Enzo for a while. He's from my mother homeland, South Africa. I mean, you probably find we want more machines from Enzo. Alright, so the latest machine we did was a 7-axis brake press folder. As we move into an area of work where we have intricacy required and accuracy to complete folded products, we can't really fault that 7-axis machine. It might have been a bit hefty in terms of price tag in the beginning, but as the months have gone on since we've had the machine, it's a no-brainer. The money's well spent. I'd say good, generally. I can't complain. We've had a breakdown. Complete machine tools have always been there to assist and get out here as soon as possible. So yes, that's a very good question. The consumer, so the end guy, the guy that's actually paying for the product, he doesn't know that sheet prices have jumped up 70% in the last 7 months. He doesn't know that aluminium extrusion has jumped up 40% in the last 7 months. The suppliers, well, the price is the price, that's what the price is, so they sell it at that. We still buy it at that. We then trying to sell a product that you probably find now we're selling a product that's near enough cheaper than what we sold 12 months ago, purely to stay in business. You find pre-COVID a rate that I would sell a fabricated balustrade for. I'm still wearing that rate today just to keep busy, so I'm losing some of that money in the middle that you would have on that material, but because of the equipment we're running in here, we can afford to drop pricing to keep employed and keep busy without going under. If that makes any sense. Yes, definitely. Again, my business has grown quite fast in 3 years. 3 years ago, we were only maybe 30% in-house. Today, we probably find ourselves 90% in-house, 95% in-house. In-house potential for us is job in, job out, really. As a job comes in, we're not, as mentioned earlier, we're not waiting on another manufacturer or supplier telling us 2 weeks before we can get this back to you. As a job's in, we're able to process from start to finish straight away and get the job out. So it's helped massively being in-house, especially with COVID and the money not being there anymore. We're still able to make a dollar by doing everything in-house. Any business owner like myself, to try to get into the market and you don't have millions and millions and millions of dollars, I would say to look at complete machine tooling and equipment from Enzo and yourselves, because again, it is affordable and it does project you in the right direction, if you know what I'm trying to say.